Sometimes it's necessary that the video still keeps playing whilst the timeline is in pause. This functionality is called play modes. So for example, you can set different clips or videos to free loop or something like this. This is what we are going to do in this task. So now let's change the play mode of each video. So for example, the first clip should be in free loop. So if we hit the pause here, it should still keep on running. So as always, you can find the settings for the clips in the inspector. And here we have the play mode. And now we can decide if we want to have it on free play once, free loop, or show in point. Free play once means it just plays the clip once and afterwards it keeps the last frame. So the first one should be free play once. The second clip should be on free loop, so it should loop as long as you are inside of the borders of the object. So let's set it to free loop. And the third one should just show one frame of the video, which is called show in point. So now we can change the in point to, for example, 5 seconds and 23 frames. And now the video always shows only this frame for the whole object duration. So this gives you a lot of flexibility. For example, if you have to extract especially one frame which is a still image for something else as a background or whatever. If you set it to show in point, you can decide by yourself which frame should be visible. So you don't have to cut it out or something like this in an external program. You can do it exactly or directly within Pixera. And the last one should be in free loop again, but in this case we change the settings of the loop a little bit. So if we set it to free loop and we have 0, 0, it means it's looping the whole object. So the standard or the original duration. But now we want to change the loop a little bit. The loop should start at, for example, 2 seconds and it should end at 3 seconds. So I just want to loop this 1 second, and it should loop with 1.5 of its original speed. And so I also can create the own loop within a video. I don't have to cut out different parts, and it's very easy to react very flexible to different demands within your show. Okay? And that's actually the whole task. So you have to set different play modes. You can play around with the play modes a little bit to find out how they work exactly.